Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways. We have an unboxing of the Macy's May box for you, and one of the items in here we are going to give away to one of you. My giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know, and be subscribed. I want to thank anybody who is new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. And also a big thank you to all my return subscribers. You guys know I love spoiling you guys. You know I love to do giveaways almost from each of my unboxings because I love giving back to you guys. Makes me happy when I can do that. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of May, it is the Juvia's Place Wahala 2 palette. Looks like this on the inside. Look at all these fun colors. This is obviously mine, well used. Yours is brand new. So if you look in the description box under current giveaways, it talks about how to enter this one. As far as what I have on my eyes today, it is the Ofra palette, Good to Go. Looks like this on the inside. I love that it's a face palette. Their highlighters are my favorite highlighters, and I mainly played with this mint shade in today's look. So the Macy's Beauty Box is $15 a month. They're mainly sample sizes. Every once in a while you will get a full size in there. Lately it's been a lot of skincare, and unless you're really familiar with that skincare and know it's going to really work for you, you really have to try skincare out for 28 to 60 days to know if it's really going to do you any good. And sample sizes, you just can't really tell. So, but I know I saw some spoilers because I did a spoiler video on this because I love, once I find out information, I love getting spoilers up for you guys. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to check those videos out as well. And then there's usually a makeup bag and sometimes some sort of tool. There is always a coupon for either $5 off or $10 off the Macy's Beauty Counter, and that can either be used online and in their Macy's department, or if you go into the physical store, you can use it there as well. Let's jump in what's in here and let's figure out what we're giving away to one of you. So they always have a card. It says, open, have fun, repeat. Your monthly beauty fix is here. We've chosen the top brands and essential items the beauty obsessed cannot live without. Try them now, love them forever. Plus, check out how-to videos, full-size versions of your faves and more at macys.com/beautybox. They say that there is a $90 value in here for 15 bucks, but remember there's a lot of sample sizes, so take that for what it is. Complexion Perfection. May brings fresh blooms and a perfectly radiant glow. Indulge in skincare stars that hydrate, brighten, and leave you wondering if you've already put highlighter on. And it does come with a $5 off coupon. It's only every once in a while that you get the $10 off one. And all the products are inside this bag. But look, I love this bag. This is a pretty chic looking bag. Here's what the inside looks like. I mean, this is pretty sturdy. This is heavy duty. I really like this. Is one of my favorite bags they've done. And then everything's neatly wrapped in tissue paper. So the first thing that I am pulling out is the Urban Decay All Night Face Primer. It's all about the base. Prep your skin with extra boosts of hydration that smooths complexion, hides fine lines, and keeps your makeup exactly where you want it all day long. The full-size version does retail for $36. How to use, wear it alone or beneath your usual foundation. So this is obviously from their all-nighter line. This is one of my setting sprays that I just have a little mini right here on my desk. And then here's what the primer packaging looks like. And I can't decide if this is the one we're giving away yet or not, so I don't want to try it out on the skin just yet. From High is the high maintenance cannabis peeling mask. After a busy week, your face could use a boost. Hemp seed oil and antioxidants help to brighten dullness, remove impurities, and promote healthy skin. Full size does retail for $46. How to use: gently massage into damp skin and wash away the day. So I do a masking review series on this channel where I try on different masks, let you know what I think, so be on the lookout for one of these. In one of those videos, I do like masks and peels and that sort of stuff. Here's a product that I love, that I've used before. It is awesome. This is the Sunday Riley C.E.O. Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Get ready for a glow up. All skin types can rejoice in the hydrating antioxidant formula that firms, brightens, and leaves the skin feeling impossibly refreshed. At full size does retail for $85. How to use: apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin morning and night. Love, love, love this. From Elemis is the Peptide 4 Overnight Radiant Peel. Give your skin some R&R, revitalization and refinement. Skin soothing AHAs and nourishing botanical oils. Exfoliate the skin for a bright and silky smooth finish by morning. Full size does retail for $78. How to use: apply nightly onto clean skin and leave on overnight. Like I said, I do that masking review and where I try on different masks, peels. I kind of do like a category at a time and do like 5 different masks in that one video and then rank them all at the end. So be on the lookout for this in one of those as well. This is the Bare Minerals New Ageless Retinol Treatment. Plant powers in your corner. Introducing a clean, vegan, and plant-based retinol alternative that's just as effective as reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and sun damage. It does retail for $62. How to use: apply 1 to 2 pumps to the face at night after cleansing. I do my retinol every other night, so definitely putting this one in the rotation. So this looks like, this bottle looks so fun, like the full-size version. I mean, look at the top of that bottle. So this is from Marc Jacobs. It is the perfect eau de perfume. April showers bring May flowers, in the form of bright and feminine fragrance that combines bursts of fresh florals with a mix of calming notes for the perfect spring scent. Full size does retail for $128. How to use: spritz in the morning for all day wear. And I don't mind getting little samples like this. So I got this little cute container here and I just put my little samples in them. I got this at like the dollar store, so $1. And I keep it in my guest bedroom, and that way when I have guests come over, they can try out a sample if they want to, or I just go in there and use them as well. So let's give this guy a little spritzy spritz. Ooh, That's really refreshing. It's not heavy at all. It does have a very light floral scent. I really like this one. Definitely a springtime vibe on this. So this is one of the better ones for not having any makeup in it. I really did like it. What did you guys think? What is your favorite? What are we going to give away? In honor of my son taking his last final today for his freshman year, let's do the secret word, kind of be a phrase, school's out. Let's give away that Urban Decay All-Nighter Face Primer. I can't wait for you guys to try this. This is a pretty new product. Can't wait for you guys to get your hands on this one. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to only fill it out once. I will put in there if you do have extra bonus entries. We'll get into the bonus entries in just a second. On that Google form, make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Also put on that Google form link the secret word. Do not fill that Google form link out more than once, and do not put that secret word in the comment section down below. Both of those things will get your entry deleted. So the Google form, your privacy is very important to me. I do not sell your information. I do not share your information. Nobody else has access to that Google form but me. When the giveaway is over, we do that kind of spin the wheel. I'll put in your first name and first initial of your last name, because like I said, your privacy is very important. And we'll do that spin the wheel. As soon as I pick the winners, mail out the package, I go ahead and delete that entry form. So how do you get extra bonus entries? If you go follow me over, there's 3 ways to do it now. There used to only be 2. If you follow me over on Instagram, that handle is beauty, Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same beauty, Ama B followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. You must be subscribed in order to win. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark that to all. And if you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those so that way you can receive notifications from YouTube. I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I love brightening somebody's day. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra like that for it to get to you. I try and package everything up pretty well. So let's have this giveaway go through June 12th, and then on June 16th we'll go ahead and pick those winners, doing this spin the wheel, and we'll have all of our giveaways that are ending that day, and we'll announce them all then. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye.